Let's use our abacus to solve some multiplication problems. Let's start off with a simple problem. 4 times 3. When you use an abacus for multiplication, you're multiplying the bottom number of beads by each bead that you have at the top. So, the way you would multiply 3 times 4 in an abacus would be, you take your first bead here, 1 times 3 is 3, which we already have at the bottom. Another 1 times 3 is 3 again, so we need to add 3 more beads. 1 times 3 is 3 again, so 3 more. And then our last 1 times 3 is 3 more again. We put 1 bead over, slide all the beads over, add a tens bead, and then add our last 2. So our final answer is 10 plus 2, or 12. Now let's do a problem that's a little bit more complicated. Let's do 16 times 12. To do multiple digit multiplication on an abacus, you do it the same way you would do a 1-digit multiplication problem. So you take your first bead here, multiply that by the number at the bottom. 1 times 12 is 12, which we already have. Another 1 times 12 is 12 again, so we add 12 more to the bottom. 1 times 12 is 12. 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 Great. Now, since we have our tens place here and we've moved up a rung, we need to move up a rung here. So we'll start with this rung now and not this one. So 1 times 12 is 12. So we add 2 beads on this rung and 1 bead at the rung above it. Since we have no more beads at the top, our bottom now has our final answer, which is 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 192. So our final answer, 16 times 12, is equal to 192.